Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be starting in on our perimeter trail. A couple of videos ago, we did a whiteboard drawing of what we wanted to do here, trying to create a perimeter trail around the north end of the woods for better access and also create some edges for the deer to move through. Maybe a video before this, we just walked it out to see if we could even go through there. I think it's doable. Mostly just kind of this stuff in the way. So I think we can handle that. Might be a few trees that we'll have to get the chainsaw out and move. But again, it's not too terrible. So we'll do this a little bit of a time at a time, and we'll just make our way through, see how far we go. And let me show you what kind of tool we're probably mainly going to be using. Okay, this is Menards brand Master Force weed eater with attachments, the Flex Connect attachments. Been pretty handy. I've had the hedge trimmer attachment on here for quite a while. Great for going through briars and small limbs on trees. For this stuff here though, the small trees, I think the steel bladed weed eater will work better. These are pretty easy to disconnect. Just loosen this up a little bit. It's got a little button in here we'll do press, and it should come right out. All right, we'll put on the blade next. Okay, with any luck, this should just go right in. Okay, went right in. So we'll just tighten that back up, and away we go. Okay, we're making some progress. Probably enough so that I'll go ahead and back the UTV up a little bit so we can get the chainsaw out and get a couple bigger logs. We're making pretty good headway through here. Kind of got the fence row cleared up so I can get back to this point here. Kind of at a point where I need to get this log next, so that's actually going to be a little bit of work. You kind of start to see the fence row right there, so I definitely have to go on that side of those trees. So that means I could take out quite a bit of this big log here. So get the chainsaw out and just start whacking away, and piece by piece we'll open it up enough so we can get through there. All right, kind of did some damage on that log. I'll clean it up next. I think there's plenty of room in between the end of the log and that tree. I just might have to kind of come out at an angle and go over the fence line just a little bit, but maybe not. Anyway, I'll get it all cleaned up and we'll take a second look. Okay, kind of got all the big logs out of the way that are cut up. I think there's plenty of room in there. I'll clean up just a little bit more, but otherwise it's just this small stuff that I'll be cutting through next till the next log about 30 yards down the path. Well, we made significant progress today. Got a little bit, another 30 yards done to another tree that I'll take care of. But yeah, we got all this done behind us here, all the way out to the old trail. So we'll just drive it out, and so you guys can see what we did today. Again, this all comes from the plan that we had the other day, and we walked it. And so now we did the tough part by just getting started. So we got that started, and we'll just keep on hacking away till we make it all the way through. Thanks a bunch again. If you like this, this will be part of a series. Go ahead and subscribe. That way you'll know when the next one comes up. Appreciate all those that do subscribe. It really helps out. Other than that, appreciate you guys watching McG Farms, and we'll talk to you later.